Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create plenty of fish or POF account. So first of all, before you can create a POF account, you must have the POF app installed, and to install it, you can go to your App Store or Play Store depending upon your device type, and you can download it from there. And once the app is downloaded, open it. And here, type in your first name and tap sign up. After that, enter your username, and once you've entered it, enter your email address and confirm your email by typing it again in the box below. And once you've done that, enter a password and confirm it. And finally, tap next. Now, choose your country, state or province, city, and zip or postal code. Now, after you've entered your address, select your gender and type in your birthday. After that, choose your ethnicity and tap continue. Now, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to fill up all of these details like what's your preference, what kind of relationship do you want, what is your intent, and all of these details. So, quickly fill out all of these details. Tap next. And again, you'll have to fill all of the details in this page as well. And the same for this page as well. And now, you'll have to write some details about yourself. And after you've written some details about yourself, tap next. And again, here you'll have to write about your hobbies, dreams, or favorite memories. And now you'll have to select your interest. Now tap next, and you are almost done creating your account. Now after you fill out all the details, questions, and everything about yourself, you'll have to verify your account to get started. So tap on get started and add your phone number and tap next. And as you can see, the code has arrived. So simply type in the code and tap finish, and your account should be verified now. After that, you'll have to upload a photo of yourself. Now, after you've uploaded a photo, tap next, again next, and then tap on I pledge. And there you have it. You have successfully created a Plenty of Fish or POF account. So, that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.